In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change the battery in your Kia Sportage. This happens to be a 2022, and this should be the same for about 2017 to 2022 2.4 liter engines. I like getting my batteries from Costco. They sell interstate batteries. The standard lead acids are 124, the AGMs are 179. Let's go ahead and get started. Now the battery is located on the driver's side, right down here. We need to remove this air box right here. There's a couple push fasteners we need to pop up and get this out of our way. Go ahead and pop these two fasteners up. Now you can just grab the air box. We're going to tilt up and bring it out. And now we have a clear view of the battery. Now we're going to need to remove this plastic protective cover over the positive terminal. You see this little pull tab right here? It's going to go towards the engine and then it will lift right up. There's a battery hold down bracket down at the very bottom. You can see that one screw. We're going to need a 12mm socket and we're going to have to loosen that up. That's what's holding the battery in place. Go ahead and remove that piece. Looks like that right there. Now we need a 10mm socket and we're going to remove the negative cable first. So go ahead and lift that negative cable off, and then I just zip tied it right there so it's out of the way. You don't want your battery cables flopping around while you're doing this. And now we can remove the positive. And I'm just going to tuck that cable down in out of the way. Now we can lift the battery out. And now if your battery tray is dirty, you just want to go ahead and clean that out, vacuum it if needed. Pour our new battery into place. We're going to reinstall our battery hold down bracket. Tighten down the battery hold down bracket. Have a terminal protector, go ahead and remove that off the positive first. We're going to connect the positive cable first. Close the cover, make sure it snaps into place. There's a protective cover on the negative, go ahead and remove that. The zip tie that was holding your negative cable in place. Depending on where you live, if you live in the salt belt, you might want to put a little bit of dielectric grease on your battery posts, or you can spray them with some battery spray. Follow the negative cable, and then tighten up and secure the negative cable. Our air box back on. Now we're going to put our pins back in. You can squeeze them together a little bit. They're going to fit in the hole a little better. Once you get them pushed all the way down, then go ahead and push down. It's kind of a pop rivet kind of thing. Push it all the way down, and now it's secure. And that's it, guys. Your battery's all installed and ready to go. Congratulate yourself on not taking it to the dealership and saving some money. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.